Good day, guys. As you all know me, as a mentor, Nasdaq Ninja. So, guys, back and continue. Can you please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified once I upload. So, guys, today we're going to talk about US30 and NAS 100, and I'm going to give you guys an update on what happened on NFP and what's gonna happen on CPI. You understand? But at the end of the day, guys, you can just check the view. Look how nice it is, guys. Shout out.
Good day, guys. As you all know me, as a mentor, Nasdaq Ninja. So, guys, back and continue. Can you please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified once I upload? You know, whatever happened on CPI happened on CPI, but let me give you guys one simple thing that you could have done in order for you to make proper profits. You understand? So let's just open our space here and let me try to make you guys realize that sometimes it's not all about not knowing how to trade, but how dedicated you are to win a trade. You understand? So we had something like USD JPY. You understand? So back in those days when we were trading fundamental, we were using currencies only. You understand? So it was us trying to run, making sure that okay, let's remove this. I don't know why it's writing that. It's USD JPY. You understand? Trying to grind, making sure that we are making money. But at the end of the day, man, I saw people losing a trade on a perfect trade. Understand? That was perfect, guys. You was perfect USD GPU. Fundamental, I realized it needs people that know fundamental. Ish, this thing, man. I don't know why is it doing that. Yes, USD JPY. Easy like that. Understand? So basically here, if you can see, let me do this. I wanna see something. I wanna see something quick. I wanna see something quick. Okay, it's fine. I just needed the network to come back. Let's do it again. Let's USD JPY. You understand? So for me, I actually entered in USD JPY, right? And I analyzed the chart of USD JPY way before, because gold was already taking the movement. So when I enter in USD JPY, this is what I actually saw. You understand? This was my structure of USD JPY, and with my understanding, I got to understand that no, this is just a channel that the market has to reach to this trend, understand? And then here, if you can check, this is how it is. And I was at this certain point here, exactly, understand? Because at the end of the day, the news were here, so I managed to grab my entry points here. Even my students grabbed their entry points here. You get the point. So, and if you can check, you might feel like this was in a drawdown. No, this was just like an analysis whereby we still deciding. You get the point. So our entry point was like something like, I can say like this, you understand? Because this is the support that we use to enter our entry point. So technically, USD JPY confirmed. So I will go in those currencies and try to figure out what do I see? What do I see on them? So I saw a proper buy. That is why NFP you saw it USD JPY buying. Remember when USD JPY buy? Let me just show you something simple. Let's say this is USD JPY. It's a buy. Then whatever that we can say, it's Euro USD. It's a sell. So it means gold, it's a sell, right? US30, it's a sell. So simple. You see now we got to get a direction with USD JPY. So other people could have got it with DEX. With DEX, let's go for DEX. Now I'm just showing you guys like one of the simplest thing that most of the people they don't use, and man, it will cost you a trade. You know, and it's something that you don't wanna actually do to lose a trade because of not being focused. You understand? So what is that one? Is USD index. I think it's USD index, something like that. You understand? I don't usually use it, so I gotta find it here. I don't know how do they call it or what they call it, but it's here. I'm gonna show you once I get it, guys. I'm gonna get it now. So even Nasdaq was actually confirming our direction in a proper way. You understand? So So I think no, it's not this one. It's not this one. Okay, let's do this again. Not a person that quits when I do certain things. Understand? I keep on trying. Yeah, it's US dollar index, something like that. But you see now it's giving me in cryptos, and I don't want it in cryptos. Let's say dollar. Yeah, I want something like this one. Yeah. It's DYX. Me, I said DEX. And DEX, you know what is DEX, right? So I don't know what happened with the rejection, but before the news, this is the place that we've been playing around. This is the place where we were playing around here. You can see here, we're just playing around here. Let me check what time it was. You see, it was 2. Okay, I'm on H4 or H1. Let me go to M30 and see if we can get something that can give us clarity. You see, so it means it rejected down and then went up. So obviously, and you saw the other sold. So I don't know what actually opened and went down. Let's go to 5 minutes and see what actually happened. Yeah, straight up. It went down and then go to the top. You can see it. But due to it being on the support, it could actually show us that this was just a buying opportunity. So if this one buys, the other one's gonna sell. Understand? That's something that we learn from each and every traders, and that is the nicest thing. Understand? But for me, like I don't usually like focus most on DEX. I focus most on other currencies which are like I can't say directly proportional to one another, but when the other one is buying, the other one is selling, So that's something that gave me motivation to understand this direction is going to be like this. The other one that actually motivated my direction, it's actually Nasdaq, understand? So it was somewhere here. 15th, it was somewhere here. So it was on a resistant. I don't buy on a resistant. I don't usually buy on a resistant. I'm sorry. I wish I could, but I don't. You understand? If you do, sorry, don't do that next time. It will cost you a trade. It will cost you a trade. Okay, I think it was somewhere here. Yeah. So you see, even this side, we had a rejection. It rejected and then went this side. And then the next thing, it went to the bottom. Those are fundamental. So you see, that one rejected down. This one rejected up. And then it went down. The other one went up. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. You understand? Me, I personally entered US30. I entered US30. The most questions is what was the reason for you to enter US30? Okay, US30 rejection was not that bad, but it was there. If I show you my trade, you're gonna see that it was there though, but it wasn't bad. It wasn't better than the others that I saw, you understand? Because this was 1530 here, 1430. It just went to the top and then the next thing it fallen. Let's go to M30 and show you somewhere. You see, it just said went here. You see, it means if I were to enter like Nasdaq on other, maybe they could have took me out. But here you see just went here. But you remember they don't do it like the US30 does it. And then it went to the bottom side. You understand? So for me here, basically, I had on my 2.0, I had a certain strategy that I catered, two of them. So the market was supposed to actually reverse at this certain point. So my point was to wait for it until, but I know the impact of moving here to get it will be easy. So I was just entering my trade somewhere here. So the market chose to go to the top, and then the next thing it went to the bottom. You understand? And which is something that for me, I felt like it's so inspiring. That is why I'm sharing with you all that NFP was just like that, understand? But when it comes to CPI, guys, I'm using 2.0 strategy now on fundamental. We are based on technical, but fundamentally it adjusts and or motivate us to take that certain trade. For me, it's so inspiring because we can even enter on currencies and answer analyze certain direction. You saw I started with USD JPY. And I did enter those direction, understand? So if you want to see the video of fundamentals, you're gonna check it on the shorts. But trust me, it wasn't a good one, guys. Yo, bro, like it went to a loss of 4.2 on a 5,000 account. And then the next thing it took a direction. But straight, I didn't see 123. I just saw 26,000 profit gone. Easy. So you see, remember our London session opens around 8. So you see what it's doing. It's just giving people money, free money, guys. If you didn't eat, I'm sorry. So let's analyze and see where US30 and Nasdaq is going. Well, we can start with US30. We don't mind. So we're gonna go to the weekly time frame. Stop saying the strategies are yours. Zone is not my strategy and it's nobody's strategy. Nobody owns these things. We don't own anything. And once you're a trader, start talking about other traders. Just know you don't know how to trade because your work is to talk about other traders. You should be like those who talk about other people. I don't know them, but if they're there, you guys know them. Here I'm gonna go for my highest point, right? It's a highest point because there's nothing above it. This one, it's a current. It's not the lowest point. It's the current lowest point because there's something below it. Now you get it. Write the notes because I can hear people coming here teaching you things they don't understand. Person says it's the current lowest point. How he says it's the lowest point. How can it be a lowest point? Well, there's other lowest points. It's a current lowest point. Sorry if you didn't know, now you know. So I'm just gonna create zones whereby when the market touches, the market reverses. And people are always against them and say zones, this and that. For me, zones are one of the best, man. Check, touch there, enter here. See, you understand? Same applies to this one. Again, there's a zone here. You see. So touch it, enter again. You understand? So for me, it's so magnificent. You get the point. When I see zones, I become more inspired. You see, this double bottom is going to create massacre. I don't want to lie to you guys. You see, double top will create massacre. Like it's going to chop a lot of people, and if I'm not realizing that, the market with a certain pattern, it's going to take the journey, but you meet your mentor saying patterns they no longer work. And that thing they just created it. They still use the same strategy as pure price action. Yeah, stop doing new names for marketing, man. We are here to make money. Making money makes sense. So you see, we have a double top. We have a beautiful neckline here. You know, sometimes pure price action have changed, but I can never come and name double bottom and say there's a new double bottom now. You see here, this could be our neckline, but even this one can be our neckline. So this one will be our neckline based on candlesticks. So the market from where it is, it's actually coming here. So this is where it will decide. Understand where is it going? If it passes this support, then we know we're coming here. Past this one, we know we're coming. That's how it is. Easy like that, right? This is just a weekly time frame, weekly direction. I'm the only mentor that predicts the whole direction of the week. That's it. Nobody else. Me, I'm telling you where the market will go. And it has to go. I'm commanding it. Okay, I went too far. So here I only need what I call major key. You can check ExoMarkets' video, guys. He's actually explaining major key very well. It's a good boy. That boy knows how to trade. So checking his work will be incredible. You understand? Will be incredible. So here, if you check the major key, I'm taking it from the major trend line. This is how major key goes. See? Easy. And trading with me is one of the greatest thing, man. Most of the mentors have confirmed that. You see, once we break this trend line, it's a continuation. Easy. We go to the bottom side. Kill. Easy. Like, man, you're trading with the best, yeah. The best of the best. So we're just waiting for it to break there. Once it breaks there, me and you, we're gone. We're making money today. We can't lose every day. Me and you, we don't want to lose every day, you know. But let's draw this trend line very well, man, because I want it to break. So, and if it doesn't break, guys, this trend line can give it a buy, you understand? So those are the things that you gotta check. But I know that this is the strongest sell. You see this? It's new. And the 2.0 is there. So we're gonna be making money. So here we're just waiting for it to break. Once it break, we execute, put our stop loss inside, take profit there out. 90% rule we ate. We still have this 90% rule that we have to finish. Me and you will be making money. Me and you will be making money. Understand? Making money makes sense. What I like about major key check, what we can do. Simple. Boom. 90% rule it's here. We have to finish that one. Major key, bruh. Major key. Something so special. It's a simple strategy though. It's a simple one, but let's quickly pass, guys, because I wanna get into the market and start making money. Remember me, I don't stop making money. I always make money, and For me, making money makes sense. That one is Black Bull. I don't use that one. I use this one. Oh, Wanda. So yes, Black Bull and Wanda are the best, guys. You can use both of them. Hey, they will confuse you. Sometimes that is why you see both of them on my chart. You can use both of them. You just have to use the one that you see very well in that month, because that those ones that can make you lose the whole week, possibly. So you see where Nasdaq is. That is why the buys that you guys gave were, I don't know, man. Where were we gonna be buying to? Sorry, but the market maker was watching you. The market makers were watching you. I'm sorry, guys, you didn't notice, but the market makers won't stop watching you. You are blown because the market maker, you know, market maker, you. What is market maker? What is happening? Man. There's no market makers. It's you and the chart here. You fail to take a right position, then you get slaughtered. And if people slaughter you, if you can check, this thing is just a repetition of the market, man. It's just going the same. It's going here. Trust me, like it's going there. I've been saying it's going there and it will get there. And you busy taking sell. This year traders are falling. Next, I will be seeing two traders. It's me and I don't know who. Guys, I'm joking. I'm so joking. Me, I like jokes, guys. I like jokes. I'm not the greatest of all time. They are greatest of all times in this game. Me, I don't even have. You don't have to give me that. At least if I can analyze the market today and make money, then me, I'm there. I'm fine. You get the point. Don't even want to confuse the statement or take the statement to be too long. Just like that, I'm fine. Simple. So here it will give me a too much confusion. This is a daily time frame, bro. You can never just pass like that. You can never ever pass like that. You see, this support here, it will give us a problem. That is why most of traders will prefer waiting for New York session, because that's where we're gonna see an impact. So you see here, there'll be a simple problem. Yeah, but problem will be there. So watch out. So with the first trade, you saw where we're gonna take the sell, right? We're gonna take the sell once it break. But with this one, this is a first, second, or the third, it didn't touch well. But and these things have kind of like buys, but wait for them to break this trend line if you want to take sells, understand? Because that's when it will be strong. But if you want to take buys, this is the right time. Take buys now. It's risky though, but it can be much more profitable. Like even in this side, if you can check this trend line, I knew it would be doing this, understand? So here you're waiting for it to be broken. What if it won't be broken? The confirmation will tell you. Once it tells you, take buying opportunities. But I kind of like feel like it could buy, man. Because now we're waiting for a strong trend line to be broken. This thing can buy. But one thing that you can do now, because this is the long-term movement, my biggest advice is to wait for it to break. Then once it break, you enter yourself here. If it doesn't break, you don't enter no cells. Simple as APCT. You wait for it to break. You enter your cells here. Break. Let me show you how will it be. It will be like this. Then simple. It will be you eating here. This can happen during the day. If it doesn't happen, guys, we'll see it on the other analysis. But at the end of the day, guys, let's check what we're doing in cryptocurrencies, guys. If you want to check our videos on crypto, check in the other side, understand? So